everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Janice, and before I get started, I would like to tell everyone that I am open to any ideas that you would like me to make in my videos. You can leave your ideas in the comment section below. Today, I will show you how to make an apple milkshake. This is a quick and easy shake to make. The ingredients that you need for this recipe are: you will need a blender, 2 diced washed apples, 1 cup of milk, half cup of powdered sugar, and 2 to 3 ice cubes, and it serves for about 2 to 3 people. Okay, now I have my 2 apples washed, and now we are going to slice the apples. Then we'll split them in half. We will remove the seeds and the core in the center of the apple. Then I will slice the apple. Then I do the same thing for the next one. Remove the seeds and the core. And slice it. Then I get my other apple and I take the top piece off with the stem. You remove the seeds, the stem, and you slice it. Then you would slice it again. And now I will dice the apples. Okay, I have 3 more to go. Okay, now that I have all the apples diced, then we will proceed and we will put the ingredients into the blender. So first I will put the diced apples into the blender. The next thing, I will put 1 cup of milk into the blender. Then I will put the powdered sugar into the blender, which measures half a cup. And the last thing would be 3 ice cubes. Then once all the ingredients are into the blender, now you will mix all the ingredients together. Okay, so now I poured the milkshake inside the glass. And thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you will enjoy my apple milkshake recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. See you next time. Bye.